Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change kingdom in Viking Rise. Ever feel like your current kingdom in Viking Rise is too crowded or slow? Changing kingdom can give you a fresh start or better opportunities for growth. To do this, first finish the tutorial until your profile and settings are unlocked. Tap your chief profile in the top left, go into settings, select manage characters. Here's where the magic happens. You can create a new character in a different kingdom. Keep in mind, each kingdom only allows 2 characters per account, and each character progresses separately. Pick the kingdom you want to move to, for example, 0587, and create your new character there. Once it's done, you're officially in the new kingdom. It's always a great way to start fresh, explore new alliances, and find less crowded resources, so plan wisely before making the jump. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.